Welcome to Our Wisdom, where reflection becomes inspiration and creativity is given room to grow. When we first begin creating, it's easy to look around and compare our work to someone else's. We admire their colors, their technique, their confidence, and sometimes we begin to wonder if we'll ever measure up. But creativity isn't a competition. Every artist begins somewhere. Every pour, every brushstroke, every mistake, even every lesson becomes a part of a journey that belongs only to you. The world doesn't need another version of someone else. It needs your perspective, your experiences, your imagination, your voice. So give yourself permission to paint. Not because you'll create a masterpiece every time, but because every time you create, you're discovering a little more of who you are. And that journey is something no one else can take for you. Thank you for spending this moment with me. So until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and keep sharing the gifts only you can bring to the world. After all, the world needs what only you can create. Peace, love, and spirit.